Hold on. Check with your boy. Yeah, I got Simon. He's still out there. Oh, he's still out there. Still out there. How long have you been lost outside of the flipping city, dude? How long have you been outside? How long, bro? How long? Look at that. He's driving. He's driving the lawnmower. He has his own car now. Yo. Wait. Oh. It's working. Yeah. Okay, that's probably a bit more hilarious than I thought, but look at that. A flying lawnmower. I should let him fly to heaven now. He has the heaven pass. Yo! He really did fly to heaven.